This is the dry ice experiment. You're going to be using dry ice, dish soap, a cloth, and hot water in a bowl. So I put the hot water in the bowl. Now I'm going to be pouring the dry ice into it. Dry ice is a very cold substance. You can tell how cold it is because it has crystals going around the cup, and it's already fogging. And before you even touch this, you have to have gloves on, a long sleeve shirt, and pants, and closed shoes. Because if this touches you, you could get a burn within 3 seconds of contact to the skin. So now I'm going to pour the dry ice into the hot water, and let's see what happens. This is used in like movies such as Hocus Pocus when they're near the cauldron stirring up whatever potions they are, and this is what is causing it. I'm going to be taking the cloth that I have and dunking it into the dish soap. Creating a bubble on top of the smoke stuff. So this is what the bubble looks like. So what you're going to need is a water bottle that's empty. Then put in 2 cups of warm water. And now you're going to be putting in some dry ice. So that's what dry ice looks like. It's really, really cold, so wear gloves when using it. Now you're going to be putting the lid on it. After the experiment, the water bottle completely just broke. And here was the lid that was attached to it. And some of the ice is still here. So for this experiment, you're going to need a bowl, your dry ice, and some quarters. You're going to put the dry ice into the bowl, and you're going to take the quarter and put it into the dry ice. And you got your singing quarters. So for this experiment, you're going to need plastic wrap, a rubber band, dry ice, water, and a cup with a hole on the top. So what you're going to do is put the cup on the plastic wrap that has the hole on the top. Just put it on and then bring the plastic wrap around it. Have to move it around to make sure it's centered, because you're going to be pouring the water in here, so you don't want any of it to spill out. The cup should look like this now, with the whole plastic wrap and the rubber band. So now you're going to take your cup of water and pour it through the hole. So none of the water came out, which means I can continue on to the next step. What you're going to do is get your glove back on your hand and pick up some of the ice pellets of the dry ice. And now you're just going to put it through the hole. So now it should be looking like this. And so now what you're going to do is just tap the bottom of the plastic wrap. And now you're sending like little puffs of smoke into the air.